Big news from Cisco's certification world. CCIE DevNet has officially evolved into CCIE Automation. But wait, what does that mean? Is this just a name change or a complete shift in how network engineers are expected to think? Let's break it down. Originally, CCIE DevNet focused heavily on APIs, Python, and programmability. But the industry evolved. Automation isn't just for developers anymore. Cisco realized that network engineers need to automate real networks, from configuration to assurance to analytics. So the new CCIE Automation isn't just about writing code, it's about building intelligent self-operating networks. Expect more focus on tools like NETCONF, RESTconf, Yang models, Ansible, and model-driven telemetry. You'll also see stronger integration with Cisco DNA Center, SDWAN, and Meraki APIs, because automation now touches everything in the infrastructure. For studying tips, start with hands-on labs on automation tools, practice integrating APIs daily, and use version control like Git from day one. Focus on real-world scenarios over theory. Hind Networks offers expert-led courses, lab simulations, and mentorship to ace your prep. Check them out for tailored CCIE automation guidance. So, if you're planning your CCIE journey, think beyond CLI, think APIs, version control, and orchestration. Cisco isn't replacing engineers. It's upgrading them. This isn't the end of networking. It's the beginning of automated networking. Welcome to the new era of CCIE automation.